Hi guys, Charlie Bradford here and welcome back to my channel. Today you're here because you've been doing some research online. You're trying to find out how you can learn internet marketing, and good on you for looking it up, because first off I want to talk to you about why you should absolutely be investing into internet marketing and learning that skill, because it is one of the highest paid professions on the planet. And then I'm going to go on and talk to you about how you can learn it. How can you learn those skills and start earning a little piece of that pie? So first off, why should you be getting involved? Well, the internet, as we know, has taken over the world. We all know that. I think it's something like nearly 60% of the planet's population has access to the internet, whether that's mobile phone or laptop or whatever it may be. That's like 4.5 billion people are on the internet. That's a crazy figure. I'm sure you will all agree that that pie is huge. It's really, really big. And if you could just take a tiny fraction of that pie, that would be a life-changing amount of money that you could earn. Something that would give you the life of your dreams. So your family, you could give your children the holidays, the life that you know they deserve, and you'd only have to take a tiny fraction of that. That's how powerful the internet is. And internet marketing is one of the highest paid professions, one of the highest paid skills in the world. And there's a reason for that. The idea of internet marketing is that you use the internet to market products to people that are looking for those products. So you're just putting those products in front of people that are already looking for them, or potentially, disruptive marketing where you're getting in front of people that may not be looking for. But that's a different kettle of fish. But let's give an example to start with. If you take golf, for instance. I'm a keen golfer, and I play golf. I'm just self-taught. But if I want to get good at golf, I'm just like a 28 handicap. I'm pretty basic, but I enjoy it. But if I want to get good at golf, I'm not going to get good by trying to teach myself. I just won't, because I'll pick up bad habits, I'll do bad things, I'll do things wrong, and I'll just go around in circles. What I have to do is I have to invest in myself, invest in that skill, and I have to go and pay a golf pro, a coach, to teach me how to do it properly. He'll look at my swing, he'll analyse what I'm doing wrong, and he'll give me tips to rectify the problem. And then in that, I'll develop and grow. And I could become a fantastic golfer because of it. I'm not saying I'm going to be a golf pro, but you can get much better. You see what I mean? Take dancing, again, another example. My daughter, she's 4, she loves to dance. And we invest in her to go to dance classes. We could put her in front of the TV with YouTube and say, we'll just dance to the TV. But she's not going to get good. She's got a passion for dancing, and she wants to be good at dancing, even at a very young age. But she loves it, and the only way she can get good is by having proper coaching, proper mentorship, proper instruction, and a proper training program that's set in place. That's how she can build and develop the skills properly. Otherwise, again, she'll just pick up bad habits. It's just a fact of life. So internet marketing is exactly the same. There's no difference, but people see it very, very differently. You talk about internet marketing and going online and earning money online, and people are very wary about investing any money. Well, under no certain terms, it's a business. If you want to start earning money online, it's a business, and you have to treat it as a business, and you need to invest. You need to be willing to invest in yourself financially, mentally, everything. You need to go all in if you want to make it work. And internet marketing is a skill. It's not something, if you think you're going to get, learn the skill overnight, take a couple of hours, you've got it, off you go, start earning millions of pounds or millions of dollars. It's not going to happen. It's a skill that takes time to build and develop, and it takes investment in your own knowledge, your own skill. And the best way to do that is to find a coach, find a mentor, find a training program, something that's been developed by someone that knows what they're doing, and they've structured it in a way that allows you to go step by step and hold you by the hand and show you exactly how to do everything from start to finish, starting a business to scaling that business and taking a piece of that little pie and creating that life that you truly deserve. So that's what it's about. Now let's go back to another example. In the UK, where people go to university, I'm sure it's the same wherever you are, and these young people, they invest huge sums of money into the university education, and this, you know, the amount, the debt that they get in, they're paying it off for years into the future. And the sad thing is that the majority of those graduates don't even go into the profession that they've learned in their degree. It's crazy, absolutely crazy, and they get into tens of thousands of pounds worth of debt, you know, same in dollars, I would imagine, but here in the UK it's tens of thousands, 50, 60,000 pounds worth of debt. It's crazy money. But then people are wary about spending a couple of $1,000s on a decent training program, on a decent coach that's earning potentially millions of dollars through internet marketing. And this is where it all falls down. You need to realise that, you know, it's the same thing. Internet marketing is the same thing. It's a skill that you need to learn, and you need proper instruction to learn it, and you need to invest the money into that to be able to do it. So that takes me on to why I think that internet marketing can absolutely change your life, because of the fact that that pie is so big. You know, that pie is so big, and you can take a little piece of that. The world is full with people that are on the internet, people looking for products. You know, and when you're looking for internet market, everything out there is marketing. You know, you can go on Amazon and you can market products on Amazon. You can market digital products. It doesn't matter what industry you're looking, what niche you're looking to do it in. But the key is that you need to find someone to show you the way, to show you how to do it properly, someone that's done it before. So what I want to say to you now, guys, is that if you're interested, you're thinking that all sounds good, you know, I want a piece of that pie, because that's a big pie, and you know, it only takes a little piece of that to become very, very wealthy and very, very, you know, live a very, very, very good life for yourself and your family. That's what I want to do with my family, myself, my kids. It's just give them the life I know they deserve, and that's when internet marketing becomes so powerful. But what I want to give you is I've put together a completely free training series. All you have to do is click the link below, guys, and you can get access to that. That's going to come through email, so you've got to put your best email in there, and I'll email you over. There's 4 consecutive days of training, and it's just going to talk to you about what I believe is the best model for getting started with internet marketing, and that's affiliate marketing. It's a great way to get involved in internet marketing and learn the skills that you need without having to put huge investment in. The barrier of entry is very, very low. In fact, you don't have to buy any products. You know, you don't have to own any products. You don't have to own sales teams or anything like that. The barrier of entry is so low. That's why I think it's fantastic to get started, and you can go in and go and learn the skills to start marketing straight away. So if you're interested in that, guys, hit the link below, and if you found this video valuable, I'd love to hear some feedback. Please stick a comment below, let me know your thoughts, let me know anything you want me to talk about, any information you want about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, anything like that on this channel. Please let me know in the comments below. I'll reply to all the comments. And hit the subscribe button as well, guys, because I'm going to be releasing videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday here in the UK. So look out for those. My goal is to help you guys to earn money online, build the life of your dreams, and give your family the life that they truly deserve. So anyway, it's great speaking to you. I hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.